Two-seater ride-on toy zooming through a lush green backyard with children laughing and having a blast. Narrator, excitedly, are you ready to give your kids the ultimate ride-on experience? Introducing the 24V ride-on toys for big kids, the licensed Ford Bronco Raptor two-seater ride-on cars with remote control. Perfect for kids who are ready to conquer the backyard in style and fun. LED lights of the Ford Bronco Raptor. Narrator, this ride-on toy is not just any ordinary toy. It's a powerful 24V ride-on truck that packs a punch with its four-wheeler suspension, 3 speeds, LED lights, and even Bluetooth capabilities. Whether your child is cruising around the neighborhood or embarking on an off-road adventure, this ride-on toy is sure to provide hours of entertainment and excitement. Toy with the remote control. Narrator, the included remote control gives parents peace of mind as they can control the ride-on toys' movements, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for their little ones. And with the two-seater design, siblings or friends can join in on the fun, making playtime even more memorable. Different terrains. Narrator, the four-wheeler suspension allows the ride-on toy to handle various terrains with ease, from smooth pavements to bumpy trails. Your child can enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride, no matter where they choose to explore. Lights flashing. Narrator, the eye-catching LED lights not only add a cool factor to the ride-on toy but also increase visibility, making it safe to play even as the sun sets. The Bluetooth feature allows your child to play their favorite music while on the go, enhancing the overall experience. While the children play with the ride-on toy in the background. Narrator, imagine the joy on your child's face as they take control of this powerhouse of a ride-on toy. The Ford Bronco Raptor two-seater ride-on toy is not just a toy, but a vehicle of endless adventures and memories waiting to be made. Experience with the Ford Bronco Raptor ride-on toy. Parent, my kids absolutely love their Ford Bronco Raptor ride-on toy. It's safe, durable, and provides hours of entertainment. I highly recommend it to any parent looking to add some excitement to their child's playtime. The Ford Bronco Raptor through a colorful playground. Narrator, enthusiastically, don't wait any longer to give your kids the ride-on experience of a lifetime. Order the 24V ride-on toys for big kids, licensed Ford Bronco Raptor two-seater ride-on cars with remote control today, and watch your child's imagination soar to new heights. Order now and make your child's playtime unforgettable with the Ford Bronco Raptor ride-on toy. Get ready for hours of fun and adventure ahead.